Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Digimon Story Time Stranger game. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Digimon Story Time Stranger game, select properties, go to controller tab, here select enable Steam input. And then you can check if your controller is working or not. If not, then again go to properties, go to control tab, this time select disable Steam input and then check if your problem is solved or not. Second solution is to press the alt plus enter keys. So try pressing the alt plus enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the issue. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in Digimon Story Time Stranger game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripherals such as USB devices, pen drive, mouse, keyboard or additional controllers or display, phone, camera might conflict with the game. So remove such peripheral and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to check if controller is properly connected. So check and make sure that your controller is connected properly to your PC. If you're using wireless controller, check if it is paired correctly or not. If you are using wired controller, then try plugging it into different ports and then check. You can also test your controller on different system to identify the problem. Fix 5. Use a wired controller. It is an alternative option. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and play the game as of now. Sixth solution is to verify the integrity of game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Digimon Story Time Stranger and select properties. Go to the installed files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Seventh solution is to restart Steam PC. So close the Steam from the task manager, then relaunch the Steam and launch Digimon Story Time Stranger game and check. If that doesn't help, then simply restart your PC, run Steam as an admin and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to update Windows. So go to the Windows settings, click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates. If there are any updates available, then download and install them. Then restart your PC and after restarting your PC, launch the game and check if the controller or gamepad in Digimon Story Time Stranger is working or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you were able to fix controller or gamepad not working in Digimon Story Time Stranger game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.